What's up, fact fans? You're in for a treat today. I'm about to share 10 shocking facts about tsunami terror when the ocean turns deadly. 1. Tsunamis can travel up to 500 miles per hour, faster than a jet plane. 2. The wave height can reach over 100 feet, devastating everything in its path. 3. Most tsunamis are caused by underwater earthquakes, but volcanic eruptions can trigger them too. 4. The first wave isn't always the biggest. Multiple waves can follow, catching people off guard. 5. Tsunamis can travel across entire ocean basins, affecting distant shores. 6. Warning systems exist, but they can only save lives if people heed the alerts. 7. Coastal areas are at the highest risk, especially those near tectonic plate boundaries. 8. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami was one of the deadliest in history, claiming over 230,000 lives. 9. Tsunami waves can cause massive flooding, reaching miles inland. 10. Understanding tsunamis is crucial for survival. Knowledge is your best defense. Join the conversation in the comments.